Introducing the Genius Tools Ratchet series, a line of high-quality ratchets designed as an efficient hand-tightening solution for fasteners of all types. Made from chrome vanadium steel with an anti-corrosion coating, ratchets are offered with textured, smooth, or cushioned grip handles for advanced usability. Genius Tools' diverse ratchet range caters to various needs, featuring designs such as flex head, rotor, reversible, quick release, stubby, bent handle, spud, and regular, as well as many combinations thereof. For precise rotational control, our ratcheting mechanisms offer options reaching up to 100 teeth. With drive sizes from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, they're suitable for a wide array of jobs. Designed to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools stands behind our quality with a limited warranty designed to protect you from any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.